Hello lovely people, my greetings to everyone watching this video. This is your girl Apede. Today I'm here to share with you how I make peanut soup or groundnut soup with kokoté. Do you like peanut soup with kokoté? Let's start cooking. So I have my groundnut paste in the pot. I add small tomato paste and water. Then I mix it very well so everything has melted very well. So I'll let this to cook until the oil has come to the top. So let me season my meat and start steaming it. I add onion, pepper, ginger, blend to the meat, and then bay leaf and pepper powder, one Maggi, complete seasoning, and then some salt to taste. Then I add small water, then I'll cover it. I'll let it to cook like 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the groundnut too is ready. As you can see, the oil has come to the top. The meat too is ready. So I'll just go ahead and add the groundnut to the meat. Then I'll rinse inside the pot and pour it inside. I have to add enough water to this soup, to the soup to cook very well. So now I will add my tomatoes, onion, and then pepper. Then I'll cover this to cook like 15 minutes. Then I'll come and blend the ingredient and put inside. So this is my cassava flour. I pour some inside the pot. Then I add water. Then I'll mash it and mix it very well. So this is how I cook my kokoté. If I cook it this way, it's very smooth and good. How do you cook your kokoté? Let me know at the comment section. So now the kokoté water is thick. Then I'll just cover it to boil. So now it's time to take the tomatoes and the pepper and blend it and add it to the soup. So I'm adding it, I blend it, I'm adding it to the soup. Then I'll stir it and cover it again. How do you make your groundnut soup or your peanut soup? I want to know, so let me know at the comment section. Right now the kokoté water is boiling, so I'm adding my cassava flour inside the water. I add enough because I don't want to add a small time. I'll go and look for another one. So I'll mix this. I'll be mixing it small like this so everything has come together. Do you do your kokoté like this? Let me know at the comment section. Please do me a favor to tell me where you are watching from. It's really important for me. So now it has come together. So I'm cooking it. Can you see how smooth it is already? So I'm cooking it very well. Do you do kokoté with one hand before? It's not easy at all. So I'm going to cover it like 15 minutes for the heat to cook the kokoté very well. If you do it this way, the next day the kokoté will still be looking good. So now the soup too is boiling, so it's time for me to add my garlic, egg and okra, and I have some balan here. How do you call this fish? So I add my kpala inside the soup. How do you call this fish? I don't know how to call it, so let me know at the comment section. So I mix it a little bit, then I'll cover it halfway. Back to the kokoté. Right now it's ready, so I'll just mix it and cook it a little bit, then I'll start taking it off the fire. So now it's ready, so you can take it like that and put it inside the bowl and put your soap on it, or you can put it inside the rubber. So this the way I do it. I take it and put it inside the rubber and roll it this way. And it's looking very nice. So I'll repeat the same process till I finish taking everything. So now let me see my soup. So now the soup too is ready. Can you see that? It's ready. So I'll just add my pepper and salt. Now it's ready to serve. I hope you see this video useful. If yes, don't forget to support your girl. Give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Like I said, I want to know the place you are watching from. Don't forget to tell me the place you are watching from. Now it's ready. It's ready to serve and enjoy. So I put my kokoté inside the bowl, then I'm adding my soup, then I'll start enjoying my kokoté and peanut soup. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And so see you in my next video. Bye.